Hello everybody. I did mention that I was bringing another Zentangle Paw print stone. What I did was I messed up. I created a beautiful metallic watercolor paw print. I sealed it with resin and then I decided to do like a striped design on it, and then it looked horrible. So I wiped it all off. I used a little bit of rubbing alcohol and some wipes, and I wiped it all off. But the lines, as you can see, are still there. It's something to do with the black paint. I don't know if I painted on it while it wasn't completely, the resin wasn't completely dry or cured. So maybe the paint kind of stuck to it a little bit and it made that mark. I don't know. But as you can see, I've started covering over top of it with some gold. I'm going to try and make it look a lot better. And we're going to get rid of those striped designs. So I did like a half circle. I pinstriped it at the very bottom of the paw print. I did 5 big dots, trying to make them spaced apart, close to the same. I walked the dots around those bigger dots, and now I'm adding a little bit smaller than the biggest ones between those. And of course, here comes the wishbones. It's okay if I stick to the same designs. I'm just filling it in with stuff that I like. So that's all you have to do. Now I'm going to put a little bit bigger of dots here. First time I used something that would be as small as a toothpick. It's a dotting needle. So if you don't have a dotting needle, go grab yourself a toothpick. Most people have toothpicks in their homes. Now I'm going to add a bigger dot at the bottom of those pointy old wishbones. See those stripes? Ugh, it looks awful. Using my dotting needle, I'm doing like a little chain of dots between our wishbones, and I'm going to do a double chain. So when I'm using a dotting needle, it does kind of look like a little bit like a chain. So we're going to call it that. We get creative with our terminology here. So I'm going to add some more bigger dots, I think, but first we're going to swoop underneath those chains, and I'm going to bring this down to a point on either side. I'm just winging it. Nothing's been measured. Nothing's been planned. I'm just kind of filling in the space, like I said. And I'm putting dots at the ends of those golden swoops. I'm not sure if I'm going to add too much more to this, but I'm just going to make sure that my gold outline is still here. I will be outlining it again in certain parts. I'm going to do a heart, and then I'm going to fill in that heart with some petals of some sort, maybe. I don't know. Just kind of fill it in a little bit more. Put a little center one and 2 on either side. I'm not just going to be keeping it gold. I'm going to be adding some black as well, and not just the outline. I'm going to actually add black on top of some of the bigger dots. I'm just going to be random with it, but it's going to be a gold and black design, but not too much black. I don't want to overpower the color or the gold. So I am still dealing with a bit of a cold. I've had it since before Christmas. It just will not go away. I got like bronchitis from it. It was just awful. Also, I dropped my phone that I record my videos on, and so the sound is kind of weird. It kind of sounds like watery, like we're underwater or there's water in it, but there's not. I don't know. I did something. So if this sounds awful, I do apologize. I'm trying. I'm trying to get more videos out too, so that you guys can share and you can paint. You can tell me your creative ideas. Don't forget to send me pictures of your creations. Even if it's not something that I taught you, I want to see what you're making. So send your pictures to rachelsrockscanada@gmail.com, and I will be making another video to show off all of your artwork on my channel, and I'm excited to do that. I do have some submissions. I can see them coming in. I'm going to surprise myself when they're all in. Try and get them in by the 25th of January 2026, so that I can get a video up at the end of the month for us. I'm excited for that. So you can't really see what I'm doing, but I did little half moons there, or half circles there, and pinstripe them just like I did the bottom, but where all the pinstripes are, I put dots on the outer edge. And now I'm putting 3 little tiny dots, 1 on the top and 2 on either side. It's really hard to see, but there's like 3 dots over top of the bigger dots there. And hopefully I put it back into view. And now from the tops of those little dots that I walked, I'm doing kind of like pointy petals. And then we're going to close that in with like a border. And I'm really just honestly not really sure what I'm doing, but I'm hoping that it turns out okay. But really, I'm here to show you that if you paint on a stone and it leaves a mark after you've wiped it off, like if you're working on top of resin, first of all, and there's lines and stuff there, or there's marks, then you can still see your old artwork, your old mistakes. If you re-resin it, if you repaint and re-resin, you're not going to see those awful marks. So all these little weird stripes that you can see, like the weird checkers or whatever, that was my old design, my old mistake, and we're not going to be able to see it once this is resined. So back to our paw print. I am putting a couple of bigger dots, 1 in the center, 1 on either side, and we're going to work with those ones now. I don't really change it up too much. I'm not doing a whole lot of the swoopy things, which I would like to work on. I know Happy Dotting Company has like some new templates that you can practice all the cool designs. I do want to get those. I don't know what it's like shipping from there right now to Canada from Australia, but I will find out. Maybe there's some on Amazon that I can find. Sorry about the jiggling. My camera is right in front of me when I'm recording, and I probably smacked my head off of it. Let's be honest. So I didn't have the camera recording, but I did like some teardrops, upside down teardrops, or now they're not upside down. Then I walked dots around those teardrops. I've also walked dots around the dots on up here where I'm scraping off a mistake that I made. But yeah, you can pretty much see everything that I've done here. You can pause it, you can slow it down. I'm going to do some really tiny dots, and I'm just kind of stealing the paint from the big old greedy dot at the top here, to walk some little teeny weeny dots, kind of like another chain around those teardrops. Put another little couple dots there, bringing the design right to the tip. This is going to be pinstriped as well, kind of like a little pinstriped banner. I like doing pinstripes. I think it depends on where you're putting it and how you're using it. It just goes good. I love it. There's a lot of it in my artwork. I love it. So I'm pretty sure that I'm happy with what we've done so far. I'm just making sure that I haven't made any big mistakes on the lining here, on the outer edge. I'm going to be going back in with my black paint and making sure that it's all separated from that beautiful natural stone background. I want to leave visible for everyone to appreciate. It's absolutely stunning. But this outlining everything and kind of cleaning it up, it really pops it off the rock nicely. So It separates it from that beautiful background and gives it its own little area. I think it's gorgeous. The metallic watercolor background is color shifting, so depending on what light you're looking at it under, it changes, but it's absolutely gorgeous. These are great for like dog memorials, or if you're just a dog lover, great to have up on a shelf or out to display to show off to your friends and family. I made a mistake there and blobbed over my gold too much, so I had to grab a Q-tip and wipe that off and start over. But I am putting black in a lot of the bigger dots, and you'll see that. And I can still see those checkers and stripes in the background, and it's just awful, but we're not going to see that very, very soon. The last 3 videos, this one, the owl, and the blue, the first rock of the year of 2026, the blue mandala rock, kind of looks like an Easter egg, I guess. Those are all in my shop today at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I've got a bunch of other stuff in there too. So if you want to visit my Etsy shop, I will leave the link in the description of every video. And that means that you would be the owner of this one-of-a-kind beautiful paw print. Or the owl, the barn owl. So look for those in my shop if you're interested. All the shipping situations have been sorted. The tariff situations aren't affecting my ability to ship to you, and everything is back to normal. So I'm going to keep posting. I just need your ideas in the comments of the videos so that I can keep putting up videos of stuff that you guys want. And make sure you hype the hype button if you have it available for my video. It gets me out into the algorithm. So hype me if you can. Like the video. Make sure you're still subscribed. Sneaky YouTube sometimes. But yeah, let me know what you think of this. Do you have dogs? I have had lots of dogs in my lifetime. Right now, I have my black cat, Max, and he is the celebrity of our household. And he's one of my favorite felines. Yeah, this is looking really nice. I'm just kind of cleaning it up, making sure everything is the way I want it to be before I seal it with resin. Because once you seal it with resin, it's in there. We can't change it after that. So I am going to add another big dot here, and I'm pretty sure we are done. What do you think? It's beautiful, except for those lines in the background, which we're going to say goodbye to. Say goodbye, lines. Bye-bye. You are the weakest link. Bye-bye. Anyone watch that game show, The Weakest Link? I always say that to my son. I'm like, you are the weakest link. And he's like, what is the weakest link? And I'm like, it was a game show, son. I'm dating myself, aging myself. So the lines are gone. And this is gorgeous. I love it. I love the stone. I love the metallic watercolors. I love the gold and the black. I think it's gorgeous. Let me know what you think. I love you. I will be back very soon with another video. Just give me some more ideas. Give me some inspiration. I love you. Keep painting. I'll see you soon. Bye.